Hey guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for tuning in. As you can see, I've got the C230 here. It's looking pretty dirty. I mean, to be honest, like I haven't washed this thing in a while just because I'm yet to talk about, the update on this car and what exactly I've got going on with it. So pretty much this car, if you've watched last video, I basically said, I'll be talking about why this car was in the shop. After changing the brake pads and rotors on the car, the brake pedal was really soft, which was pretty weird. Like, after changing the brake pads and rotors, and overnight the brake fluid was actually leaking behind the rear driver's tire right there. Pretty much I had to take this to the shop. I couldn't get this job done by myself. So pretty much the lines were leaking. There were two lines that were leaking. They were pretty rusted, corroded, and unfortunately that happened to this car. It's weird. I figured because the car is from the north, rust to be underneath the car, but the car was in the shop for at least a good 2 weeks just because they had to order that part from Germany, from Germany. And I believe it came from Germany, or I don't know where the dealer ordered it from, but they got it from the dealer. They ended up putting the new lines in and the car is good to go. The weird thing is, like, there was no rust underneath the car. Like the guy said it was spotless in terms of rust. So I'm not sure how those lines got corroded. Like they were corroded really bad. It was leaking from two spots. I did some research and I believe when you keep brake fluid inside the reservoir, like not change it, every 2 years, I think they start to draw in water condensation. So I believe maybe that caused the rust. I'm glad, the car is back and we got that situated. Second thing, I'm trying to figure out what the car is. Jeez, look how dirty the car is. I don't know if this is from the shop or just from me, but I haven't washed it since it came back. It's getting the check engine light and I figured out what it was. I'm getting this code P0170, I believe. It's related to fuel trim bank 1. The intake manifold on this car, let me actually pop the hood on for you guys. Gosh, this car is dirty. Anyways, let me take this off real quick, show you guys what I'm talking about. So the intake manifold is in here, and pretty much these lines that run through the intake manifold, there's one line I noticed broke off, and I don't know how that broke off, but that's causing a check engine light. Like, you can turn the car on and drive it for 45 minutes, an hour, no check engine light. And then the next time I drove it, the check engine light came on. I was like, okay, that's interesting. So I ended up doing some digging around and I found out this line right here, this guy, I don't know if you guys can see that, this goes all the way and connects into the intake manifold, and I believe that's what's causing a vacuum leak. It's down there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but anyways, yeah, just wanted to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about so you have an understanding of what really is going on with the car. But pretty much I did some few work on it. I thought I could temporarily have that seal with a adhesive substance to keep it in there, but that's not working because I drove the car around again and the check engine light came back on. So I'm not able to complete the monitors before getting an emissions. It comes on before all the monitors are completed, if you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, but I ended up ordering a new intake manifold. This job, I'm gonna try and do it myself. I should be able to do it. There are tons of videos online that show you how to take out the intake manifold. And also, doing this will be preventative maintenance because the runner flappers on the intake manifold, if you guys do know this kind of engine, they do tend to break after some time. So let me just give you guys a walk around real quick. Oh, I ended up taking the front license plate off. I like it better that way, except I don't like those hose. Yeah, guys, the car is super dirty, like super dirty. I haven't washed this since. It's missing the center cap on there. I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I'm just gonna worry about getting the new intake manifold in. You guys haven't seen the inside. Oh, it's locked. Actually, let me open it from my side. It's still looking pretty clean in there. If you guys haven't checked out the other videos when we first got the car, but the interior is looking really good. So yeah, guys, that's the update on the car. I just wanted to do a quick update to keep you guys, you know, posted on what exactly I'm trying to sort out with this car. Once we get that figured out, this car will be good to go. As time goes, I'll be keeping you guys posted.